Welcome to the tutorial. Today, we will show you how to request your free adventure pass. Let's get started. First, you will need to open a web browser and type parks.ca.gov/adventurepass. Here, you will find more information on the pass. Under the How section, click on the link for reservecalifornia.com. If you already have an account with Reserve California, you can enter your information now. If not, you will need to create a new account. To create your account, please enter the following information: your name, email address, phone number, and your home address. You will also need to create a password. Your password should contain at least one capital letter, special character, and number. Click Create Account to finish. Click Passes to continue. You will notice that under the Select Pass section, the Adventure Pass for the 2022-2023 school year has already been pre-selected. Click the box stating you are over 18 years old in age or have your parents' consent. Although your address is listed below, please note that the pass will not be mailed to you. You will receive the pass electronically via the email address you provided. Almost there. Ensure you see the Adventure Pass listed, and that the total remains at 0. Click Go to Checkout to finish. Congratulations! You have completed the steps to attain your very own Adventure Pass. You will receive an email containing the pass shortly. You can also retrieve your pass through your Reserve California account by clicking Your Passes in the menu. Here, you can reprint your pass if you lose the original. This is the pass you will receive in your email. The pass is valid from September 1st to August 31st. The 4th grader must be present in order to use the Adventure Pass. You should present the pass to park staff at the entrance kiosk, or, if no one is present, you can place the pass on your vehicle's dashboard during your visit. The Adventure Pass only covers day use fees. The pass grants free entry for one vehicle and all of its passengers. It does not cover camping fees, nor boating fees. At parks that charge a per-person fee, the pass will cover free entry for 3 adults, 16 years or older, and all of the children accompanying the 4th grader. The pass is only valid at 19 California state parks. To learn more about which parks currently accept the pass, you can revisit our website. There you will find more information about which parks are participating and where they are located. Although the list is small, each park offers a different type of adventure, and found throughout all of California. Be sure to check the list to find an Adventure Pass park near you. You are all set to start your adventure with California state parks. If you still need a little help, call us at 1-800-444-7275. Thank you.